Hello everyone. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your SST teacher, and today I am back with 50 very important multiple choice questions on the chapter Manufacturing Industries. This video is going to be very important for you. So watch till end. Question number 1 that is on your screen. When and where was the first successful textile mill established in India? You have to tell. I would like to remind you once again, attempt before me. I'll give you some time to attempt it. Read the question, options as well, and mark your answer in your copy, in your notebook. And at the end, tell me in comment section how many of your answers were correct. When and where was the first successful textile mill established in India? I am talking about successful textile mill. It is quite confusing. I am talking about textile mill. If it is about cotton mill, the answer will be different. If it is about the first mill, the answer would be different. The first mill was in the year 1818 in Kolkata, which failed. That was unsuccessful. Then the first successful textile mill established in India in Mumbai in 1854. So what is our correct option? Mumbai 1854. 60% of sugar mills are concentrated in which of the following states? It is about sugar industry, sugar mills. We have already studied. We have options Punjab and Haryana, Maharashtra and Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, West Bengal and Orissa. So what is our correct option? Yeah, absolutely. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Next one. On the basis of character of raw material and finished product, iron and steel industry belongs to which category? You have options heavy industry, medium industry, light industry, perishable goods industry. Which one? I hope you have ticked your answer. Heavy industry. So it is heavy industry. Next one. Which of the following public sector steel plants of India is located near a port? I hope you know the answer. Durgapur, Vijayanagar, Bhadravati, Visakhapatnam. Yes, the fourth option is correct option. Visakhapatnam. Next one. Which of the following is the effect of liberalization and foreign direct investment on iron and steel industry of India? Lower productivity of labor, high cost and limited availability of coking coal, irregular supply of energy, boost to the industry. Which one? So our option is D. D option is correct option. Boost to the industry. Next one, question number 6. Which of the following is not an inorganic chemical? While teaching you, I told you inorganic and organic chemicals. Inorganic, which are harmful, organic, which are not harmful for us. So which one? Sulfuric acid, petrochemicals, nitric acid, alkalis, sulfuric acid, nitric acid and alkalis, all these are inorganic chemicals. So remaining one, petrochemicals, is organic chemicals. Next one, question number 7. Which of the following inorganic chemicals is used for making up glass, soaps, detergents, and paper? You must know the answer. Soda ash, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, alkalis. So, what is our correct option? Soda ash. Soda ash is our correct option. Question number 8. Which of the following industries is the largest consumer of chemicals? Largest consumer of chemicals: fertilizers, textiles, chemicals, papers. Chemical industry is the largest consumer of chemical industry. So what is our correct option? Chemicals. Chemical industry is the largest consumer of chemicals. Question number 9. Which of the following led to the expansion of the fertilizer industry? Options: liberalization and foreign direct investment, MNCs, the Green Revolution, all the above. So, what is our correct option? All the above. Question number 10. When and where was the first cement plant set up in India? While teaching you, I reminded you to remember this first cement plant set up in India. When and where was the first cement plant set up in India? It was in Chennai in the year 1904. Next question. In 1857, where the first cotton mill of India was founded? The very first question, when I told you about first textile mill, it was in Mumbai in 1854. Now I am talking about first cotton mill. That is why I told you first textile mill and now first cotton mill of India, which was founded in 1857. So what is our correct option? Bombay. Question number 12. Largest producer of jute and jute made goods? Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Brazil. Which one is the largest producer? So our option is India. Largest exporter? Bangladesh. But largest producer? India. Iron and steel is a what kind of industry is iron and steel industry? An agro based industry, a chemical industry, basic industry, tertiary industry. So which one out of these options? Basic industry. Question number 14. Durgapur is situated in which state? You must know the answer. Durgapur is in West Bengal. Now question number 15. Chemical industries usually are located near. We have the option iron and steel industries, thermal power plant, oil refineries, automobile industry. Where chemical industries are usually located? These industries are located near oil refineries. Next question, question number 16. STP is the abbreviation of what is the full form of STP? You must know Software Technology Park. Next one, NTPC is the abbreviation of what is the full form of NTPC? National Thermal Power Corporation. So full form of NTPC is National Thermal Power Corporation. Question number 18. Atomic power plant causes Heat pollution. What? Heat pollution. Atomic power plant causes heat pollution. Question number 19. Manufacturing industries includes. What does these manufacturing industries include? Crop production, fish production, plantation, sugar production. So our answer is sugar production. Next one. Manufacturing industries include. This can be asked in different way. Same question. Converting raw material into ready good, transporting raw material, producing raw material, procuring raw material. So what is our correct option? Converting raw material into ready good. Choose odd one. Which one is odd in this list? Distilleries, bakery, fisheries, workshop. Distilleries, bakery, and workshop are manufacturing industries, while fisheries is not termed in industries. Question number 22. Which of the following does not affect the location of industries? Per capita income, energy, raw material, labor. Energy, raw material, and labor, these affect, but per capita income does not affect the location of the industries. Rubber, tea, and coffee are what type of industries? It's very easy. Agro based industries. Question number 24. Cement is what type of industry? Basic, heavy, agro based, light, heavy industry. Next one. Golden fiber is. Which fiber is known as golden fiber? We have studied about a fiber, jute fiber. Question number 26. Which one of the following cities has emerged as the electronic capital of India? You must know the answer. It is Bangalore. Our answer is Bangalore. Which one of the following factors plays the most important role in the location of an industry in a particular region? So we have four options: raw material, market, least production cost. The most important is least production cost, that is kept in mind by the entrepreneur. Question number 28. Which of the following industries is not a heavy industry? Which of the following is not a heavy industry? Cotton, cement, iron and steel, shipbuilding. Cement, iron and steel, shipbuilding, all these are heavy industry. So remaining option A is the correct option for us. Cotton textile is not a heavy industry. Question number 29. Which one of the following industries manufactures telephones, computers, etc.? You can easily answer. Our answer is electronic. Next one. Which one of the following public sector plants is located in Chhattisgarh? You can easily answer it. In Chhattisgarh, which plant is there? Which public sector plant is located? Can you tell? It's Bhilai. Bhilai steel plant. Question number 31. Which one of the following agencies markets steel for the public sector plants? This is SAIL, the Steel Authority of India Limited. Question number 32. Which one of the following is not a center of automobile industry? Chennai, Bangalore, Jamshedpur, Coimbatore. So what is our correct option? Chennai, yes. Bengaluru, yes. Jamshedpur, yes. So remaining option, Coimbatore is not a center of automobile industry. Leading center of woolen textile industry in Punjab. What is our correct option? Ludhiana. Next one, Tisco is a. What is Tisco? Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. So, what kind of company is Tisco? Tisco is a private sector industry. Next one, iron and steel industry requires iron ore, coking coal, and limestone. In which of the following proportions? You must remember it. 4 ratio 2 ratio 1. Option B is correct option. Question number 36. Which one of the following industries uses limestone as a raw material? Which one of the following industries? Limestone. You can simply answer it. Cement. Next one. Which one of the following industries uses bauxite as raw material? You know bauxite? Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. So what is our correct option? Aluminium. 38. The processing of raw material into more valuable products falls under the category of which type of activity? Secondary sector activity. Question number 39. Which of the following statements regarding manufacturing is not true? Manufacturing helps in modernizing agriculture. Yes, it's true. Development of manufacturing industries is a precondition for eradication of unemployment and poverty. That is also true. Export of manufactured goods expands trade and commerce and brings in much needed foreign exchange. This one is also correct. The remaining last one, which one is not correct? Manufacturing puts the country into debt trap. That is not correct. Question number 40. Which country is a major importer of Indian yarn? It's very easy. You can easily answer a very small country. Japan. 41. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding spinning sector in India? Spinning mills are mostly located in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. That is correct. India has world class production in spinning. That is also correct. Our spinning mills are capable of using all the fibers we produce. Yeah, that is also correct. Most of the yarn we produce is used by our local weavers. That is not correct. So, which option is correct for us? B option. Most of the yarn we produce is used by our local weavers. That is incorrect option. 42. Most of India jute mills are located on the banks of very easy in Calcutta, Hooghly River. Which of the following is not a private sector industry? If we check Dabur private, Bajaj private, Tisco private, then remaining Steel Authority of India Limited. Which are the two prime factors for the location of aluminium industry? Market and labor, transport network and water supply, cheap and regular supply of electricity and bauxite, none of the above. So correct option is cheap and regular supply of electricity and bauxite. Which two states are more famous for their cotton textile industry? Maharashtra and Gujarat. Question number 46. Most of the integrated steel plants in India are located in which plateau? मालवा, बुंदेलखंड, मेघालय, छोटा नागपुर. Correct option is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Question number 47. The software technology parks are set by the government to provide what type of facilities? Single window service and high speed data communication facility to software experts. For this purpose, such STP are set up. 48. Air pollution is caused by. What is the cause for air pollution? Organic and inorganic industrial effluents discharged into rivers. That is not a reason of air pollution. That is a reason of water pollution. Presence of high proportion of sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and airborne particulate materials. Yes, this one is our correct option. Question number 49, the second last. Which of the following are the major water polluting industries? Options are tanneries, chemical industries, refineries, brick kilns. You have options 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 4, 3 and 4. So which option? Tanneries and chemical industries, these two, 1 and 2. Next one and the last one in this video, and I would like to remind you, do tell me in the comment section how many of your answers were correct out of these 50 questions. And if you like the video, if you find it useful, hit the like button. In which state is the Vilai steel plant located? Vilai. We have already discussed about it. In which state? It is in Chhattisgarh. Which state? It is in Chhattisgarh. Thank you.